Everybody got...
You already did the like 5 times.
Yo, what? I'm recording. Yeah, I was recording. This going on YouTube. This going on YouTube. This going on YouTube. Okay. Just record. Are you recording?
Oh.
You record.
I'm gonna go now.
Yeah. I don't know. It looks like it. I don't know.
My God, Gray Ghost!
No, there isn't. It's a UP engine.
Oh my God,
It's a UP engine. It's a Union Pacific
why are they
engine.
down? Why are they down? Why are they down?
No,
Yo, those are 3 engines.
I got it.
I got the Gray Ghost in the freaking middle!
No, it doesn't.
Wait, it does?
No, it doesn't.
It looks like it.
Are you recording?
I might got Gray Ghost, but I just think it's 2 SD70s.
No,
Yeah, it's 2 SD70s.
That's the 70s.
Is it Gray Ghost or not?
It's not Grey Ghost, it's a regular. Wait, look.
What?
Here, the guy stepped off. The guy's on the camera, the employee.
The employee was right there.
Wow. Wait, is this still on slow mo? Yeah.
Is that rare? Is that pretty rare? Not rare.
Not rare. I wanted to see if it was real or not. Because that's Texas.